Hello, welcome to a different type of video today. Hello everyone. Today we're doing a different type of video. It's not just me, it's also my son Eric.
Hi guys.
So today what we will be making is a little Halloween treat bag for Eric's birthday.
Yeah, it's really cool when it turns out.
So what you'll need is these Halloween treat bags from Target.
How much are they?
They were $1.
Oh, that's a good deal.
It is. You get 20 of them in a pack, and they were just in the dollar spot. And so one side is see-through, and one side is this skeleton design. I believe there were also some that looked like witch hands.
That's cool.
Yeah. And then you will also need some candies.
Yeah, you need Smarties
and what are these, hun?
Rice Krispie treats.
Yes, and I'll show you how the Smarties and Rice Krispie treats fit.
And this year they
inside.
added a new flavor.
Oh yes, apparently there's a new packaging option this year for Rice Krispie treats that Eric noticed. So there's a spider, there's a cat, and now there is
It's a pumpkin.
a pumpkin.
They're missing the nose.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess they just did it a little differently. And also what you'll need is some string. You'll need some scissors,
Of course.
some type of hole puncher. I have an old school crocodile.
That's good. It's better than none.
Correct. You'll need a paper trimmer. And then the bags came with these little twisty ties.
I've seen those before.
Yeah.
I know because they usually come in packages or something.
True. Oh, and one more thing I'll show you is you'll need some sort of tag for the bags. So I just created this in the Rana Designs app, and then I uploaded it in the Project Life app and selected 4 2x3 prints and then had them printed off at Walgreens because my personal printer isn't really working so well. So we'll get to these later. Okay, so first what we'll do, and Eric's gonna go ahead and help us with the craft.
Yeah.
Okay, so you'll grab a bag.
Okay, that's cool.
I'll grab
It's
a
like
bag.
a glove.
It does look like a glove. Okay, so what we'll need is we'll need 1 Smartie for each finger.
Oh, I didn't know how to do this.
Yeah. So what I do is I just grab a Smartie and just put that into place for the thumb and then the 4 fingers.
And sometimes you might have a hard time putting them in, because that's happening to me, because I'm kind of confused and like it's at a weird angle. So be aware of that, guys.
Yeah, that's okay. However you want to do it is fine. I just kind of crinkled up the bottom and then put the Smarties in, and they won't go to the tip, but that's totally fine.
And guys, it's almost Halloween.
It is.
Today's September.
What day is it? September 21st?
Oh yeah, September 21st.
Yeah.
My birthday's on the 23rd.
Oh, yes, it is. So then once you get your Smarties in, you'll place one of the Rice Krispie treats in the palm of the hand. And these aren't the regular size Rice Krispie treats that come individually packaged. I think those are usually a little bit larger. These are mini ones. But I'm pretty sure you could squeeze in a regular sized Rice Krispie treat because there is some room here on the sides. So let's see how Eric's doing.
Not so good.
You're doing well. Yeah, you just have 2 more Smarties to put in and then your Rice Krispie treat. So I'll just move along to the next one and then I'll help you if you need help. Okay, so just grab a twisty tie and then I just kind of twist the bottom of the bag and just twist that around. And since we will be using twine to attach the tag, I'm then going to twist around the rest of the twisty. So you can see from here how this looks like a creepy little hand.
One question.
Yes, sir.
Can you put a Smartie in the thumb?
Yes, I highly suggest putting a Smartie in the thumb.
Because you have to make it look like a skeleton.
Yeah, otherwise then it's going to be like a floppy
boring,
thumb.
like, I don't know, boring trash can.
Yeah. So then you will need some string, and I'll cut a piece for Eric and one for myself.
What do we, oh.
Okay, so you need to put your Rice Krispie treat in here. That's okay. And I kind of like when the Smarties get a little off kilter, and then this almost looks like a scary old hand.
Hey guys, I made my hand.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
It took kind of like 5-ish
That's
minutes.
totally fine. Do you want to twist the bottom of that and put the twisty tie like how I did?
Yeah, can you teach me?
Yeah. So just get the bottom and put it together.
Okay.
Here, watch. Can you pinch it and then twist? Can you do that?
And this is 2019, guys. Of course, everyone knows.
Yes, it's 2019. And excuse me while I reach over you for just one quick second. Okay, so while you get that twisted, I'm going to cut out the little tags that we're gonna put on here. And so I just have a We Are Memory Keepers paper trimmer scorer. And I'm probably going to cut this crooked, but that's okay. Yep,
Oh my God.
totally crooked.
Accidentally.
That's okay. As long as you get it twisted on, it doesn't matter. And then you can twist these edges all around over and over and over because we're going to put string around it. So it's fine. And then once you guys see it in class, you're going to open that so quick and eat all the treats. It doesn't really matter how it's tied. Yes, that's fine.
I don't know how to tie shoes, so I got this right, so, oh gosh.
Oh, let's try that one again. And so what I'm doing now is just getting my crocodile and punching a hole on the end. So any type of hole punch would suffice. So my crocodile that just punched that hole.
Why is it called crocodile?
Crop-o-dial, because when you scrapbook and do stuff like that, you crop pictures, and they would call it crops when you get together. But so this particular tool that punches holes and also sets eyelets, I used this side, which is the larger hole punching side, and just punched a hole.
I'm
What's that?
trying to tie this, but I have a hard time.
All right, I'll help you. 1 second. Okay, so see, watch this. Just get the edge and just twist it. So pinch and then twist.
I understand.
And now put the twisty around, like, yeah, sort of like you're making it into a V. Good. And then pinch and twist again. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just put the thread through the tag, and, oh, there's yours. We'll do one for Eric.
And yesterday, guys, we were watching a little spooky movie.
Oh.
We watched Child's Play 2 and Child's Play 3.
Perfect for the Halloween season.
Not really.
So now what I'm gonna do is just tie on the tag to the bottom of the bag, and I'm just gonna bring that around twice and double knot it. I'm not doing any sort of fancy bow. This is going to be distributed to 25 third graders on Monday.
Well, I screwed up, and I'm just gonna leave it the way it is.
Do you need help, or is that gonna work?
Can you help me?
Oh, you know what? That's totally fine. We can make it work. You know what I'll do? I'll just pinch it, twist it, and then I'll bring that around again. But that's good. You did a good job.
Thank you.
And I love how your fingers turned out like, I'm a zombie. Okay. Do you want to tie the tag around?
No.
All right, we'll do that. And then that's basically it. That's the candy-filled handbags or skeleton handbags, treat bags.
Yeah. And I'm a little guest here for today.
Yes,
and
you are.
This is a guest video. We might have a part 2 when it gets a little close to Halloween. And yeah, well, we don't know if we're gonna have another one.
We'll see. So this is how it looks on
The inside.
the see-through side.
The inside.
So you get 5 Smarties and a Rice Krispie treat.
Wait, how
And-
much are the Rice Krispie treats?
We bought them in a bag, or I'm sorry, a box of 60 at Target.
For how much?
So I think maybe it was like $6.99 or $7.99. I'm not sure.
That's kind of a good deal.
Yeah, it's pretty good. And then we bought 2 bags of Smarties. And how many came in here? 69 came in 1 bag. So I bought 2 bags. because we had to make 25, and then I bought 2 bags of these, so we will have extra. So yeah, there's 20 in each bag, and they're $1 each of the skeleton hands. And then these prints we got at Walgreens. I think we paid like less than $2.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And that's it.
Yeah. There's some Halloween stores out, and yeah, we like Spirit.
Yes, we do love Spirit.
And Party City.
Yes.
We don't really like Halloween City.
That was okay.
They kind of charge you a lot, so I'm kind of disappointed.
Yeah.
And Mom.
Yes.
What's your favorite thing? Like, what's your favorite Halloween movie?
How about Nightmare Before Christmas?
Yeah, I like that one. And my favorite movie so far is kind of Child's Play 2.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not really for kids. It's more for adults, but like teenagers, because it's violent, but in a dumb way.
Yeah, it's kind of silly.
It's funny because I'm not gonna do any spoilers because I want you guys to watch it. And yeah, you have to watch it on your own, folks, because I don't want to spoil it and ruin it all for you.
That's very thoughtful.
Because then there's no point of watching it because I already told you.
True. Okay, so I think that's about it.
Yeah, well, we'll tell you if there's going to be a part 2.
To this video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I want to do a part 2.
All right, well, thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye. You want to give me a high five with your hand?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching this very special tutorial. You can find me at mandyfreshforlife.com.